Today, I'm going to teach you how to show names when participants join a meeting in Zoom. This is particularly useful when you're hosting meetings and want to stay aware of who's entering your virtual room without constantly checking the participant list. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoom.us. Once you're on the Zoom homepage, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. Enter your email address and password to access your account dashboard. This is where you'll have full control over your meeting settings and preferences. After logging in, direct your attention to the left panel of the screen. Here you'll see various navigation options. Click on My Account, which will expand to show you more choices. From these options, select Settings. This section is crucial because it houses all the customization features that let you tailor your Zoom experience to your specific needs. Once you're in the Settings area, look for the Meeting tab at the top of the page and click on it. The Meeting tab is where all the core functionality for how your meetings operate is managed. You'll find everything from participant controls to notification preferences here. Now, scroll down through the various options until you locate the setting labeled Sound Notification when someone joins or leaves. When you find it, toggle this option on. Enabling this feature means you'll hear an audio alert whenever someone enters or exits your meeting, paired with a visual notification showing their name. This keeps you informed without needing to constantly monitor your screen. Continue scrolling down through the settings until you come across the option that says When attendees join meeting before host. Toggle this setting on as well. This particular feature allows participants to enter the meeting room even if you haven't joined yet, and with the sound notification enabled, you'll be alerted with their names as they arrive. This combination ensures you're always aware of who's in your meeting space, whether you're the first to join or arriving after others. And there you have it. With these settings configured, you'll now receive both audio and visual notifications displaying participant names whenever someone joins your Zoom meeting. This creates a more aware and responsive meeting environment. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.